Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this XIAOMI. Firstly, you need to locate Tools folder, click on it and tap on Recorder. Then, just while using the app, tap on Allow and click on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right button and name it however you wish to in this pop-up. Then choose OK and click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. If you wish to delete one of them, you need to hold it, tap on this bin icon at the bottom right corner and select delete in the pop-up to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!